Hello, hello, hello. I'm so excited to be here with you and share all about the 6-week course, DIY Accounting, to become a numbers-driven CEO by myself, Margot Massery from Margot's Bookkeeping, and Matthew Hickam. So what is this course about? What are we offering? Many of you might be feeling right now is, why do I need this? How can I do it myself? Those are what we compiled in this course from a combination of our experience to help you with that task exactly. We're going to begin by helping you explore your vision. We're going to review your corporate analysis and make sure that you chose the way that you'd like to. And if you didn't, to make sure that we make that change from the get-go so that we can plan and have our goals in order. The next thing what we'd like to do is help you set up with a filing method. In this filing method, we're going to use Dropbox and set up different ways to address of folders and so on, and subfolders, so that things are easily able to be kept and grabbed from when you need it. The next stage is the growth. The growth stage is fun. And here, back in the day when I started, there was systems and processes that I had, but till today, as accounting has evolved, I've come across many different things that I'd like to share with our other entrepreneurs that they can benefit from. In addition, that I'd like to help you set up automation. Now, many business owners don't even talk about their foundation. They don't take the time for the foundation. So what happens is they go up and up and up in the ladder, and they fall because every day that they're fighting those systems and processes that they didn't take into account to set up from the get-go. The next thing also what we do is we talk about your ideal client profile. Who do you want to attract? Who do you want to work with? Because it all goes into that right person and that right niche. So we go diverse from that and what we can offer them and all different ways that support that vision. We've prepared for you a whole sorts of boatload of QuickBooks Masterclass of different things that you will learn to get acquainted with the software, how to go around your day-to-day needs, month-end needs, reportings, and all sorts of fun things like that. We also, because you're doing this in this growth stage, you're going to have a tax strategy involved. So it's not like going to be when you go to your year-end accountant that you're first going to get everything together. Optimization is our last phase. Now, we didn't forget about you business owners. What we do here is we talk about your salary to make sure you can take the salary that you need and feel comfortable that it's okay to take that salary and know how to take a salary, because understanding our numbers is the big key with that component. Leveraging revenue is a big thing. So lots of times our clients pay us 30 days upon receipt. So we talk about how to leverage our revenue of what we make when there's growth involved, to take that into account from where we are and where we want to be. One of my favorite parts of phase 3 is identifying your income streams. These days, service-based businesses have different ways that they can make money, and with reviewing the numbers, it helps you get there even more so, and helps you set aside your time and know where the best time is now. Now, we're going to play the game of what if. What if you never filmed this program? What if you never separated your business and personal expenses? What happens if you never accurately track and pay your outside contractors or employees? And what happens if you don't accurately pay your taxes itself on the money that you make? The one that worries me the most was the biggest reason why I wanted to have this course for the entrepreneurs out there is if you work with the wrong accounting professional. People choose on price, people choose on recommendation, and sometimes it doesn't work for them, and they don't even understand it after it all. So on this path, we say, let the heart be your guide, because our heart always knows the answer. So the support that we're offering here is way more than I had when I started, and I know when Matthew started also. And We're going to help you when you experience that pain. We're going to help you when you face those fears. And when you wonder who you can trust and you're sucked down by the undertow and you have nowhere to go. And then the question you're going to ask yourself is, what do you do when you're stuck in that pull? With the increased knowledge, you're going to come out as a stronger and a more capable CEO. So we'd like to help you sail your ship to your next destination. So come on board and come inside so we can help you start. Can't wait to talk to you and help you with that journey.